Hi, this is Sherry Gallagher with Technicon Company Incorporated with our video on Section 7.1, Planning for Product Realization for ISO 13485-2016. Planning for product realization works hand in hand with a design process. If your organization is not design responsible, this is the section of the standard where you design the process or processes. You must take into account the other processes of the QMS such as documentation, management, infrastructure and work environment, as well as things like internal audits, customer-related processes, monitoring and measurement, and all the other parts of ISO 13485. They really are interrelated, or they should be in your QMS. The production process needs to be documented and evaluated for risk. This is frequently done with a process failure mode and effect analysis, or FMEA. Of course, once you've identified the risks, you must consider if you will take action to mitigate the risk or accept the risk as part of doing business and record any actions you take. When you get all done with planning for product realization, you need to document the output. Think actions that you are taking to create the product realization process. As part of planning for product realization, you need to take into account the quality objectives. Does your quality policy indicate that you will have outstanding product quality that exceeds customer expectations? If so, your production process should be capable at about a parts per million defect level. What are the product requirements? How are you going to verify or validate that they were met? When and where in the processes will monitoring, measuring, inspection, and testing take place? How will the product be protected from damage along the way? And that includes in storage and distribution. You must identify the documentation you will use to trace raw materials and component parts through the process and all the way to the customer. Always look at traceability from the viewpoint of a product recall. If a customer calls and has a legitimate nonconformance that came from your supplier, can you identify the supplier lot and retrieve every product that lot or part of material went into? The risk if traceability is lost along the way is having to recall multiple lots of material. And unfortunately, it has happened where this has been enough of a product recall that an organization has gone out of business. We don't want that to happen to you. So traceability is absolutely critical. Once you do get into production and your organization needs to keep records that the process was followed and approved and the product met the requirements. So as part of your planning, you need to plan how you're going to do this documentation. That's it, folks. So yes, this is a very short video. If you found it helpful, please like and share. If you would like more assistance, please check out our website at www.technicon.com or email us at technicon1986@sbcglobal.net or call 708-814-3685. Please go out and have a wonderful day.